Today I'm walking you through a real cover call setup on Element Solution. The ticker is ESI, that you could return anywhere from 1.2 to 13% in 38 days. I'll show you exactly how I found this trade, why I took it, and an important piece of discipline I use that almost no other YouTube channel will tell you about. Hi, my name is David. I'm a retired trader. This channel here for people who want real option income without the hype. Before we start, one important note. I'm placing this trade in my simulated account first, and I want to explain why. Before I commit real capital to any new strategy or any stock I haven't tried before, I run through paper trading first, not because I don't trust the math. I do, but because the mechanic matter, the feels, the timing, the broker behavior, my own reaction under live condition. Paper trading let me verify all of that without putting real money at risk. Most retirees skip this step. I never do. In the next 8 minutes, I will show you exactly how I screen for the trade, why ESI passed my filter, the math behind both outcomes, and what I'm watching for before I commit real capital. Okay, let's get into it. Here is my FinViz screener. These are filters I use to find quality cover call candidate. Now in the FinViz filter, I use two type of setting. So the first one I use is for fundamental. The other one I use for technical. So with the fundamental filter, as you can see here, we use EPS this year got to be positive. You can set EPS CROW past 5 year also positive. The sell CROW past 5 year also positive. The operating margin is positive. Net profit margin is positive. Debt equity is under 1.5. Dividend yield bigger than 0%. So it's also a bonus so that you can get your dividend from your stock as well. The next one, the next filter is for technical filter. I prefer to get the price between $20 to $50. You don't want to get the really cheap price. They're not worth it. The average volume here is about over 1 mil. That to be optional. Also the performance half year have to be up between 5 to 30%. So it will give you the healthy uptrend, but not parabolic. Also the price got to be above 200-day simple moving average for long-term uptrend confirmed. The RSI 14 got to be between 40 to 65. So it's not overbought, not oversold. This will give you a list of profitable quality optional stock in healthy uptrend. Yeah, maybe between 10 to 25, or in our case today we have about 5 of them. So let me show you. So down here you can see here, of these 5, ESI passed every quality check: profitable, growing, already past earning, AI, infrastructure exposure. Let me show you what I saw. I also using the trading view, also bar chart. On the right hand side here you get all the fundamental. Also you can see here is the actual chart. In the bar chart, when you enter the ESI into bar chart, they give you some recommendation whether it's a strong buy or strong sell. They give you more of the fundamental here. They'll tell you what sort of business that is running. They give you the actual chart here also, the actual stop trading at, daily low, daily high. So when we look at it here, it actually tells us it's got 64% year-to-date return, strong uptrend. Also, July 29 is the next earning, so well past our expiration. Now, the analyst target at 47.30, which is very close to our current price. So I will explain why it is a stock I would like to own anyway. So now let's look at the option chain. When you have a look at the option chain here, we have on the June 18, which is about 38 days away. The strike price we're going to use is $50, and the delta, as you can see over here, which is around about 25. You can see is the bid price here and the ask price here, which is 0.5 here and $1. I bought 100 share of ESI at 44.76. I sold one July 18 strike call for 50-cent credit. And here's something you'll notice. The agreement say simulated trading, that intention. And we will come back to what that means for my real money decision in a moment. First, let's look at the option chain so you understand why I picked this specific number. It's the theoretical. So it will be here, this column here. And almost no one actually fill with this price here. So I've got 50 cents down here, which is at right limit price. That's the realistic income on this trade, not the hype collect $1 you see on the other channel. Now here, what makes this trade interesting? There are two main outcomes and both are good. The first outcome is you get 75% probability stop stay below $50 by June 18. You keep $52 premium and your share. The return you get is 1.18% in 38 days, or about 11% annually. Outcome 2, about 25% probability, stock price above $50, share call away at $50, total profit is $576 total, which 524 capital gain plus $52 premium. Return about 13.02% in 38 days, or about 125% annually. Now, let me be real with you. 1.18% in 38 days isn't going to make you rich, but for income on one stock I already wanted to own, with limited downside protection from the premium and a chance to get 13% gain if it gets called away, that's a fair trade for a retiree. Now, back to why I'm running this on paid for trade first. There's 3 reasons. 1, ESI just had a 64% year-to-date run. I would own it for the AI infrastructure exposure, but I'm not in a hurry to buy at the recent high. Paid for trading let me observe how the position behaves before committing real capital. 2, my fee was 52 cents, not $1. I initially thought possible. That changed the math. On paper, I learned that. On real money, that cost me a real return. 3, the first time I run any new strategy, I do it on paper. The mechanic matter, I feel matter, my own behavior matters. If I'm comfortable in 1-2 weeks watching this trade behave, I will either replicate its real or move it to a setup I prefer. This is the discipline retiree need. Don't let any YouTube channel pressure you into do it now or miss out. There's always another month, another stop, another setup. Patience is the edge. I'll do a follow-up video on June 18 showing how this paper trade result, win, loss or assignment. If I commit real capital based on what I observed, I show that too. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment. Do you paper trade before going live, or do you go straight to real money? I want to hear your approach. Please note, all content is for educational purpose only. I'm David. See you on Friday.